If you're a homeowner, you need to stop your windows from turning into laser beams. Low emissivity windows are like superheroes for your home, blocking out heat and saving energy. But there's a twist. The same windows that keep your house cool can turn into infrared for your yard. When sunlight hits these windows, it bounces off as concentrated heat, like a magnifying glass. This can scorch your artificial turf, warp your vinyl siding, and even melt car moldings and patio furniture. Enter Reflect Defense window film. It's like sunscreen for your windows, stopping those naughty IR rays in their tracks. Just apply the film and your lawn stays lush and your patio furniture stays cool. Reflect Defense isn't just for your yard. It protects trampolines, Rubbermaid sheds, and much more. So whether you're in a sizzling hot zone or just love your outdoor setup, Reflect Defense is your go-to. Don't let your windows roast your yard. Protect with Reflect Defense and keep things cool inside and out.